Hey Nash, what should we make?
Let's make something that sounds irresponsible, but secretly isn't.
All right, let's make healthy-ish turkey Caesar smash tacos. Welcome back to Chaos Kitchen, where we don't do diet food, but occasionally we do comfort food a little smarter, a little healthier. Today, we're gonna take the old viral smash burger taco, smash taco thing, but we're gonna use turkey. We're gonna do kind of a Caesar, kind of mix that with a Caesar wrap and make a sort of a turkey Caesar smash taco. So turkey patty smashed with a tortilla, all the Caesar fixins. We're gonna make a Caesar dressing from scratch. It's gonna be Greek yogurt based, so it's gonna be higher protein, a little healthier, and it should be a meal that comes together, tastes delicious, and you shouldn't feel guilty about. So without further ado, let's go. So we're gonna start by making a Caesar dressing. We're gonna make it Greek yogurt based to get a little bit more protein, make it a little bit healthier. So first thing we need is 2 tablespoons of chopped capers. So this is 1 tablespoon of unchopped capers, and I'm guessing once I chop them up, it'll be around 2 tablespoons, but we'll find out. Actually, we won't, because I won't measure, because I don't. So just chop up your little pickle berries.
They're flower buds, not berries, but I'll allow it.
Then we get those and put them in some sort of a container. Yeah, see, that looks like about 2 tablespoons, maybe even a little bit more. I don't know, whatever. Then to this, we add a 1/2 cup of Greek yogurt, about a tablespoon of extra virgin olive oil. That was too much, but it'll be fine. 2 teaspoons of Dijon. That came out like a rocket. A teaspoon of Worcestershire.
I'd like to personally thank you for not calling it wash your sister sauce. I was prepared to leave.
About 4 cloves of garlic. 1/4 cup of fresh grated parm. The zest of a lemon. And cut that guy in half. And we do the juice of half of that lemon. A pinch of kosher salt. A little bit of pepper. Or a lot of pepper. It depends on how much you like pepper. And hate on this one all you want, but about a 1/2 teaspoon of anchovy paste. It's not gonna taste like anchovies. Real Caesar dressing has anchovies, but the anchovy paste is just going to act like MSG and enhance all the flavors. Then we just mix this all together. Emulsify, emulsify. If you say it out loud, like Street Fighter 2, oh, you can, then it mixes better, it emulsifies better. Yoga flame, sonic boom. Anyways.
You're an idiot.
And give it a taste, make sure it tastes good. Perfect.
Perfect. Perfect.
Set that aside, put that in the fridge. Do something with that. Clean as you go. And we take some romaine, get rid of that. And we just chop this guy up. Because we're putting these in smash tacos, like I'm gonna chop them up a little bit more than I would for like a salad. Almost into like shredders, like that. That'll do. And make sure and wash your lettuce. Wash your produce, folks. Produce is dirty, and apparently lettuce will make you sick. You don't want to get that cytoshitosis, or whatever it's called. Wash your produce. Your colon will thank you. So will your toilet. And even though it's usually chicken that goes with Caesar salad, I could not find any ground chicken, and I didn't feel like making my own. So we got a pound of ground turkey. Again, for smash patties, I usually go with 3 ounces, 3-ounce balls. But for the smashed tacos, because the tortilla is bigger than a hamburger bun, we usually do 4 ounces. So I'm just gonna eyeball this into 4 ounce. 4 ounces is 1/4 pound, so we're just gonna eyeball this. We're gonna make little balls. Actually, those are pretty big balls.
That's what she said.
My balls appear to be different sizes. We're gonna pinch some up here. This is why weighing things usually helps, but you know, just not in the mood.
That's also what she said.
I know, I know. There we go. That looks good. We got our turkey balls. Off we go. Then with a hot griddle or skillet or flat top grill, if you have one, on medium high heat, and we'll get a little bit of oil on there. And we put down our guys. Then we get a tortilla. I have these low carb tortillas. Put that over there, try to get it kind of in the middle. And then using a spatula, burger press, a heavy pan, whatever, you just smash that down until it whistles, apparently. We do the same thing over here. Then we flip it. That one doesn't look as good. Man, my front burner burns way hotter than my back burner. Kind of annoying, but whatever. And we'll season these guys with a little bit of salt, some pepper, a little bit of garlic powder, and some smoked paprika. And then we'll hit these guys with some grated parm. That is hot, don't do that. Bad idea.
Maybe try grating the cheese first, then putting it on. Genius.
And then we can pull these guys, kill the heat, worry about cleaning that up later. And we take our guy, we put him on some paper. That'll work. Yeah. We give him some of our dressing. A few croutons for crunch. And if you remember, well, what did we decide? 4 croutons is 30 calories. So I'm gonna do maybe 40 calories here. Then some romaine that we washed. Say it with me now, wash your produce, folks. Just a little bit more dressing, a little squeeze of lemon juice, a little extra parm, and then we roll it up like a taco. And then I think the way you do this, I don't know if anyone knows how to do this roll up a half thing, let me know. I think they just do like fold that up and then roll. Maybe we roll like this. Roll. There we go. That'll work. We'll say that works. Okay. And then we do the same thing with our other guy. And there we have our healthy-ish turkey Caesar smash tacos. And it's time for a bite. Cheers. That is really good. It's like a turkey burger, a taco, and a Caesar salad all got really drunk and made questionable decisions, but the outcome was a delicious food baby. It's got all the flavors of the Caesar with that turkey. Chicken would be just about the same. I don't know, it comes together really, really nicely with that smash patty and the taco form. It took us forever to try that viral taco smash burger, smash taco kind of thing, but I'm kind of digging it. It works, it's easy, and in this particular case, this one's delicious and it's healthy. And even though technically croutons aren't healthy, like I said, I think we added all of 35 calories worth of croutons, and that crunch definitely adds a level up to the recipe. So go make it, and all in all, it's actually pretty healthy. So we didn't sacrifice any flavor, but we made it healthier. So yay, out of 10. And hey, that's what I think, but let's see what Nash thinks. Hey bud, how you doing?
Doing great. I've lowered my expectations and life has been much easier.
Well, check it out. We made these healthy-ish turkey Caesar smash tacos you wanted. And of course, we made a dog-friendly one just for you. Well, here you go. What do you think?
That tastes like somebody tricked comfort food into making better decisions.
Anything you want to say to your fans?
Healthy doesn't have to mean perfect. It just has to be good enough that you'll make it again.
Nash approves, I approve. Another great dish and more proof that you don't have to sacrifice delicious to be a little healthier. Thank you so much for watching. Really appreciate you all. If you enjoyed the video, go hit the like button. And if you want to see more of our crazy, awesome, delicious, and usually easy and sometimes even healthy recipes, go check them out somewhere over here. And just remember, cook more, eat better, embrace the chaos. Until next time, be good and peace.